What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion. It's another Ducati video. Well, it's another Ducati video and you're probably thinking, what am I doing with bucket, water, and two Ducatis? And the Ducati subject is not this one here, it's gonna be this one here. And I'm happy to report we have the Motomillion bucket of truth, and we brought some holy water from the mountains of Italy to see when we dip this wheel in this water, what the gods of motorcycles tell us. You're probably all still scratching your head. What is Manny up to? If you watched our last video that we installed our first mods on our 2025 Panigale V4, we showed you 650Eve's very own 1199R, we showed you those BST StarTEK wheels, and we told you that we are going to be very transparent with what goes on next with this bike and why those wheels are going to go on here. We're not going to name any names. You know what it is, but I want to tell you this. We get asked the questions of why do we sell some stuff and why don't we sell some stuff. We don't sell anything that we're not comfortable with installing on our own bikes, and if anything arises throughout our experience with the parts or the motorcycles, we just decide to be as honest as possible. So in this case, this tire is no longer inflated, this wheel is not holding any more air. This bike has barely been ridden because you guys all know 650Eve and these wheels were just on the motorcycle from many years ago. I'm going to put some air with that inflator. We're going to dip it in this holy water in the bucket of truth that we have, and we're going to see where the leak is coming from. Before we talk about the bucket of truth and what it was trying to tell us, I want to mention something to you guys. We are not paid by any brand, any party, or anyone to form our opinions or to use the stuff that we use on our motorcycles. We use what we use because I'm a huge enthusiast. I curate the parts that I want to run on our own bikes. This is my childhood dream, and I'm lucky enough to live my dream around these motorcycles. And we try to show you guys what we do to our motorcycles and make them available for you to purchase if it suits your taste. So let's get to the bucket of truth and what it was trying to tell us. It was speaking bubble to us, and bubbles mean air is trying to escape. It means something is leaking. This spoke and this spoke was leaking from the bottom of the spoke, and the hub of the wheel was leaking from right here where it's still bubbling because we have to use soap to show it to you guys since the bucket of truth is not deep enough for us to put the whole wheel in it, but it's full of the truth. I used the tape to indicate the spokes. That way I knew that I'm not going over the same spokes because I was actually doubting myself, so that's when I brought out that blue tape. So there you have it, and this is not the only one that was speaking bubble to us. We have two other models that were speaking bubbles to us from our own motorcycles, and that's the transparency that I was going to give to you. And let's talk about this 1199R. If you haven't watched our other videos, guys, 650Eve hit 1 million subscribers and is well over 1 million subscribers. And as my appreciation to him for supporting us and being a very good friend of mine, I had asked him to bring his 1199R and the HP4 over here so that we could revamp him and redo a retake on his motorcycle, since these were just sitting in his garage as a part of his collection. And this is the start of the revamping of his beautiful 1199R, and it's starting with those BST StarTEK wheels. We're going to install those along with some Brembo Super Sport rotors and Pro-Tie hardware. Enough talking, more working. Let's get this thing without some leaky wheels. The front wheel is off, and I know what you guys are all thinking. How much do these puppies weigh? The rear wheel weighs 4.96 pounds. Front wheel with the spacers are weighing in at 6.12 pounds. Now let's install some tires, our Brembo rotors, and our Pro-Tie hardware, and then we'll see how beautiful they look on this 1199R. here it is, guys. 650's 1199R transformation has officially begun today. We installed the StarTEK wheels in gloss. We also have them in satin. And just like any other video, all the products that we use in the video today is in the link in the description below. We also installed the Brembo Super Sport rotors, some Prototype hardware for those rotor bolts, some TWM nuts in the back, and some DBK special parts in the front. You could be sure that there's a whole host of other parts awaiting for this transformation. This bike is now 12 years old as of filming this video in 2025, and we really want to do what it deserves. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.